See and do more with your Dext prepared data thanks to Practice Insights. To view Practice Insights, go to Dashboard in the sidebar, then Practice Insights. The page consists of 5 widgets that illustrate key aspects of your client's pre-accounting costs and sales data. The 5 widgets include real-time KPIs for items to action and inactive clients, 30-day charts of items submitted, supplier rules by client, and supplier rules performance. Each widget has 2 drill down levels beneath it, allowing you to break down the data for deeper insights. You can access the next level by clicking the button at the bottom of each widget. The second level drill down contains more in-depth reports. For example, the second level of inactive clients contains reports on your least active clients, submission delay, and your client's integration status. Click the button at the bottom of the widget and access the third level drill down. In the third level drill down, access the underlying client level data that can be filtered and exported as a CSV. Filter the data and reports on each level of Practice Insights by going to the filter icon in the top right corner. There you can filter by client, the date range on relevant widgets, which team member clients are managed by, office location, whether the bookkeeping is managed by the client or the practice, then, if it's done by the practice, the frequency that bookkeeping is undertaken. And finally, whether to show or not show suspended clients. To use these filters, you'll need to configure your client and team user settings correctly. We'll take you through how to do that in the next video.